Hello and welcome to testingworld.com. I'm introducing Max Gerard today from Eggplant, who's going to be doing a great session with the 2-minute challenge. So I thought Max Gerard, I thought Max Power, I thought I'd add in some cars. We had some unboxing the week before, so we've got drones and lots more of exciting stuff to do. So stay tuned and watch out this great session by Eggplant and Max Gerard.
Hello, my name is Max Gerard, and today I want to talk to you about the Eggplant Salesforce test solution. So what you can see here on the bottom right hand side is all I have to do is point Eggplant towards my Salesforce instance, and Eggplant is able to understand your bespoke setup of Salesforce and then generates all of the models and all of the snippets for you. Now we can open the model that we've just automatically generated here. This model in Eggplant is really unique in that it is a digital twin of the application itself, meaning we can run any test journey that a real user would want to go and do. And now to go and record a test case is actually really straightforward. I just click on Test Case Builder, go and enter in here a test case name, and then we can select the journey that we want to go and do. So I can click here on Start Test Case, click on Add, and in this example I want to go to Accounts first and run a specific test against accounts. And then I'm going to go into Cases and run something against the Cases area in Salesforce. And it really is just as easy as point and click. And now we select that test case, click on play, and we can see that we have a test running. So in the space of 30 seconds, I have pointed Eggplant towards my Salesforce instance, I've automatically generated my models and snippets, and now I have a test running on the right hand side. You can see here we are now going to go to Accounts and start filling the form out. And Eggplant is very uniquely placed because we have a fusion engine that allows us to test anything, whether it's a mobile device, desktop machine, web browser, iOS, Android. It really doesn't matter what type of system we need to connect to. Eggplant is able to go and automate it. And so when we saw that Salesforce ecosystem earlier with all those different permutations, you can see that Eggplant is uniquely placed to solve the challenge of testing Salesforce. And you can see now that we have filled out this form in Salesforce. And now we are going to verify through the UI that all of our entries have been implemented correctly. And you'll notice that we highlight where we find elements on the screen in green, in red and pink. Salesforce is a custom relationship management solution that brings companies and customers together. It has 19.8% market share, $21.3 billion of revenue, and 90% of the Fortune 500 are Salesforce customers. Now, you might think that testing Salesforce is just about testing the functionality within the Salesforce application itself. So going to contacts, creating accounts, creating ops, going to reports, but it's so much more than that, because there is now a full ecosystem around Salesforce. We now have third-party plugins. That's an epic change in Salesforce, with thousands of different applications to integrate, like DocuSign, Google Analytics, LinkedIn and Slack. We have business customization. And this means in Salesforce, you can create customized rules. Salesforce literally runs your business, and it can define things like only allowing a discount above 10% if the order is above $100,000. If that rule isn't implemented correctly, and you allow your sales team to go and sell things with high discounts, that is going to impact your revenue in a negative way. Salesforce runs not just on desktop, but on mobile and across all browsers. And so, you need to make sure it works across all of those different environments. And in the top left here, we have user roles and permissions, where different users can either read or create or edit. So, the problem to go and test Salesforce is huge. The only way to test it is with an intelligent solution that can understand all the permutations within the Salesforce environment and then go and automate them. So now let's see the accelerator in action.